Oh, he's attacking in the first place. He's attacking Joseph Maspinas. He's attacking Teacher May. For the over the place, I said to everyone, you think that Paulo Cruzada is trying to messing to other people. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, like I said before, ah, do you know about Teacher May? That her cousins are working in a lawyer. You better think that if you harass Teacher May's relatives, Paulo Cruzada, they will sue against you. They will file the lawsuit against you. That means, if I say before, madidemanda ka pa, Paulo Cruzada. Putragis ka, Paulo Cruzada. You know that. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you better to think that you're messing up in the first place. Kathleen Canete had told me na unfriend ko na si Paulo Cruzada sa Facebook. You know, thanks to Kathleen Canete, even Jens Manaid, Buddy Castro, Ronald Rebena, they unfriended Paulo Cruzada. They blocked Paulo Cruzada on Facebook. I asked Clarence Barredo. I told him in Filipino. I speak him in Tagalog to Clarence Barredo. I say to him, na-block mo ba si Paulo Cruzada? Oh, I said to him, he said to me, hindi pa. Oh, I told to Clarence Barredo, i-block mo na lang si Paulo Cruzada sa Facebook. Oh, it's simple. You know, for Paulo Cruzada, you think you should learn about your lesson. And then you're saying you're threatened to rape Wawel Romero and Shania Kiana. Why did you attempt to rape Shania Kiana and Wawel Romero? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should better to think that you're raping anybody. You should not rape Shania Kiana and Wawel Romero. Wawel, she is my friend. She's not really my crush. She is my friend. She is my good friend. And Wawel Romero is a Down syndrome. Just like Sir William Ducut. Why did you attempt to rape Wawel, Paulo Cruzada? Where's the exact address of Wawel Romero? Paulo Cruzada, tell me if she lives there in Pasig City. You're in Quezon City. Me, I was in Caloocan. Where's the exact address of Wawel? Duwag ka pala, Paulo Cruzada. Napakabobo mo, like I said. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you think you are very quiet? You think you did it to someone? You did it to Jordan Pilapil. You did to everyone. You did it to anybody. You did it to your other friends. How dare you? Even like, for example, Teacher Kel, you attempted to rape her. She was in the US. And you attempt to make a bomb joke at New York City. That is a place of my ninang Anya Suyuki and Teacher Gio Malana. What if I say it again, Paulo Cruzada? If I tell to Anya Suyuki and Teacher Gio Malana in Messenger, if I tell them, Anya Suyuki, you tell to the FBI to arrest Paulo Cruzada. Coordinate to the FBI to the Philippines, to the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI. And even the PNP, Anti-Cybercrime Group. I told to my ninang Anya Suyuki, and Teacher Gio Malana to coordinate with Attorney Sophia Ahmad Sultan to file the subpoena against Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you think you want to make a bomb joke? You think you want to make a bomb threat? They are not afraid of you, Paulo Cruzada. You know, you are a terrorist wannabe. You're saying about you're an ISIS. You're saying about nonsense. You say about you want to hostage Teacher May. You want to hostage Lorraine Shook. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, I just want to tell something. Teacher May's house in Cainta, Rizal are heavily guarded. They are guarded by my own gangs in Spedmotics. Even Alfred Deslabra, Jens Manaid, Lawrence Villawan, even the other people who were heavily guarded. Oh, Lorraine Shook in her house, heavily guarded by her own bodyguards. Even my own Spedmotics friends, even Alfred Deslabra, Jens Manaid. Oh, they're heavily guarded. Even Kenji Mantaring, he was there also, heavily guarded. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should better to learn about your lesson to stop promoting terrorism. You know, Roydan was right. You have to you better to stop promoting terrorism. You're pretending you're an ISIS. Who cares if you're an ISIS? What if you threaten to bomb Kuya Rodelio Daguman's house in Muntinlupa, in Putatan? If you threaten to bomb Kuya Rodelio Daguman's house in Putatan, Muntinlupa, remember, Paulo Cruzada, his brother Robin Daguman, he will punch you in the face. Baka masusuntukan ka, Paulo Cruzada. You should never threaten Kuya Rodelio Daguman. If you threaten to make a bomb joke at Franco Cagayat's car, he will ramp you up. Do you see that what happened in the incident about the security guard who was being ramped by a driver in Mandaluyong, in SM Mega Mall in Mandaluyong? He was being sued by a security guard, and now it was really happened. It's a reckless driving. Or Franco Cagayat can do whatever he wants. He can do a reckless driving. He will ramp you up, Paulo Cruzada. Just like that. And you're telling a lie that Joseph Maspinas has a car? He doesn't have a car. He has a bike. Sophia Ahmad Sultan multi-cab.